Hello, tired of eating the same old potato omelet? How could I ever get tired of it? You're a bit off. They're delicious. Well, yes, they're delicious, but just to change things up, let me show you another potato option that you're going to love. Well, surprise me, it's a fantastic omelet that we're going to fill with pesto. To prepare this wonder, first we have to cut 4 or 5 potatoes, depending on the size, into thin slices, the typical ones for an omelet, like this, into very flat little cubes. We leave the potatoes, of course, with the right amount of salt and mix them so every piece gets its share. They have a bit of magic. Now what we do is take 5 large eggs and also add a little bit of salt. Just a pinch is enough. Take a fork and mix. There's no need to beat it too much. It doesn't need a lot of air, just mix it together. Here we have the potatoes frying in plenty of oil. When you see that they start to get soft, before they're completely fried, take them out and drain them a little. This is to save the oil. And what we'll do is something as simple as mixing this egg with these potatoes. That's how easy it is to make a Spanish omelet, though I don't know if you prefer it with or without onion. At my house, always with onion, but this one won't need it because we're going to add an extra magical ingredient, which, as I said at the beginning, is pesto sauce, and that's what will make it juicy. The trick, about half of the egg mixture, egg and potato, and a thin layer of this wonderful sauce that, as I said, you can buy ready-made or make at home. Then you cover it with the rest of the potato and egg. That way you make sure the flavor of the pesto stays inside. Smooth it out a bit and cook this over no more than medium heat, letting it cook slowly. When you see that it's set on the bottom, put a plate on top. It's better if the plate is damp so the omelet slides off more easily. Flip it over and voila, put it back in. That's all there is to it. If you want to use a spatula to make the flip gentler, you'll make sure it doesn't break. Perfect. Now the omelet is almost ready. If you want it well done, leave it a bit longer. If you like it softer, a bit less. That part is up to each family's taste. Here I have this marvel, an omelet that, if you flip it, you'll see it has the authentic pesto flavor. It even looks beautiful. Look at it from underneath. Truly luxurious. The oil, the basil, and the pecorino give it an amazing touch. And here is the omelet on its original side. Did you like it? I'm sure you did. Do you want to try it? Well, you know what to do. Get to work. I'm going to show you the inside, because as you know, in recipes and in people, that's the most important part. And in this super omelet, it's truly amazing. Look at how incredible it looks. What a marvel. This is an omelet with that touch of basil, the oil, and of course the pecorino cheese that goes into the pesto. A delicious wonder. And well, you know, you can make it more or less juicy depending on your personal taste. I like it like this, kind of in the middle, really good, creamy. Look, here's the fork, a piece, and another, and another. Absolutely wonderful. Delicious in different dishes so you never get bored. And the world of tortillas really offers a lot of possibilities. So I hope you'll tell me in the comments what special tortilla you make or have seen made. That way we can all share tasty ideas together. Also, let me know where you're watching from so we can explore the world through delicious things together.